In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create wedding signs in Canva. If you've ever tried to design a wedding welcome sign, seating chart, or reception display, and ended up with something that looked blurry, crowded, or just not polished enough, this walkthrough will help. Canva makes the process much easier, especially when you set things up correctly from the beginning. The key is designing for print size, not just for your screen. To get started, open Canva from the homepage and go to the top right corner where you'll click Create a Design. From there, choose Custom Size. This part matters a lot because wedding signs are usually printed at large physical sizes. Change the unit from pixels to inches, then enter the exact width and height you need. For example, you might use 18 by 24 inches for a classic vertical welcome sign. Once that's entered, click Create New Design to open your blank canvas. As soon as the canvas loads, turn on your layout guides before adding anything. This helps protect important text from getting too close to the edge, which is especially useful if your sign will sit inside a frame or on an acrylic board with clips. Go to the File menu at the top, open View Settings, and enable Show Rulers and Guides, then Show Margins. You'll now see clear boundaries on the page, making it much easier to build a clean design that prints safely. Next, move to the left sidebar and open the Design or Templates section. In the search bar, type a wedding-related style that matches the event. You can search for something elegant, minimalist, modern, or classic, depending on the look you want. Browse through the templates and choose one that fits your theme. When you click it, Canva will place it directly onto your canvas, giving you a polished starting point instead of building everything from scratch. Once your template is in place, focus on the text hierarchy so guests can read the sign easily from a distance. Click into the main headline text box and replace the placeholder wording with your own greeting. Keep the main title short and visually clear. Then use the toolbar at the top to choose font pairings that feel formal but remain readable. A script font can work well for names or decorative lines, while a serif or bold clean font is better for the date, location, or event details. As you edit, align everything carefully to the center guide so the layout feels balanced. Before exporting, give the design one final review. Check spelling, remove any leftover placeholder text, and make sure nothing crosses the margin area. Then click Share, choose Download, and set the file type to PDF print. Turn on crop marks and bleed for better print accuracy, then download the finished file. That's it. Your wedding sign is now ready for professional printing and should look clean, sharp, and beautifully put together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.